Hello, I'm gonna quickly show how to turn Centropix KLOUD on, how to choose a program, and how to choose an intensity. You can use Cloud via an app which you can download off the internet. You can just use this control panel. You don't need an app, whatever you prefer. But I'm gonna show you how to use this control panel. First is you turn on the switch like that. This blue light flashing over here means it's turned on. The next thing what you're gonna see is green check mark is gonna turn on and start flashing. That means that once it's on, that means Centropix KLOUD is ready to use. Okay, the next step is choosing the program. There are 5 programs: relax, balance, energize, synchronize, transform. Depending what you're doing, what you would like to achieve, you choose one of those programs. Relax, you can use it after work to relax. Balance is like maybe you want to meditate, so you want to balance yourself, you can use that. Energize, you can do it before work to set yourself up. Then we have synchronize, kind of synchronizes the body rhythms. And you have transform that kind of kicks in the body's regenerative processes, maybe like after an injury, after some kind of surgery. So you choose a program. Let's say you would like to choose the balance program. Just use these arrows to choose balance. Next, you got the program that you would like. Next, you press on this button to make it run. You see it's flashing, means the program is on. Next, there are 5 intensity levels, and you want to choose the intensity levels. Okay, so once the program is running, while it's running, you press on this key, and then using the arrows, you choose the intensity level, whether it's like from 1 to 5. Now you see 4. Let's do intensity level of 3. You press on the backward, and you have 3 right now. You have a balance program running at intensity 3. Once the program is done, once the 15 minutes are over, it's gonna beep and then it's gonna turn off automatically. The program is gonna turn off, and then you would want still to turn the cloud off at this main switch. Okay, now here where you charge your cloud, you can connect it to your laptop, let's say, or you can plug into the wall through an adapter. The European and North American plugs, as far as I know, and Asian plugs are also provided, which you can conveniently use with your adapter. If you have any questions, leave them below.